Okay, I have a big surprise to share with all of you today. I have been trying to help traders learn how to sell puts and how to make money in the stock market. And there is one particular symbol that does so well for me that I decided to dedicate one account to trading nothing but this one ticker symbol. And I am going to start off with a $25,000 account. So those of you that have been saying, great, Ashley, you show trades, but you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to have the kind of return that you're talking about. I wanted to do something for all of you to show you this can be done. And the ticker symbol that I will be trading with all of you, and I will show you my results each week. I'll be doing weekly trades on this ticker symbol. It is going to be none other than MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR. And we will look at a couple of different versions of this ticker symbol. I'll be working with the primary ticker symbol, and then there'll be times when I decide to trade the leveraged ETF that I like, which is MSTX, to 1.75% leverage. So using an initial $25,000, we're going to see how far we can get in 4 weeks with this one ticker symbol. And the timing is great because the volatility is really high with Bitcoin. And this particular ETF actually has a lot of, it follows Bitcoin, and it's a leveraged play on Bitcoin. Let me show you. If you look at Bitcoin and then you compare MSTR to Bitcoin, here is what you will see when you compare the two side by side. So you can see that it actually moves at a higher pace and a lower pace when Bitcoin goes up and down. Now, we're going to take it one step further. I'm going to show you MSTX against MSTR. And you can see that this ticker symbol actually has quite the spike when MSTR runs, and when MSTR pulls down, it pulls down twice as fast. That's the dynamics of a leveraged ETF. And so I thought what I could do is combine these two ticker symbols and see how far we can get with $25,000 in a month's time. Now, the reason this timing is good is because of where we are in the Bitcoin cycle. So after every 4-year halving cycle, Bitcoin goes through the process of reaccumulation, and then it takes off. Well, we've already had, with all of the ETFs that came online and purchased Bitcoin at the beginning part of the year, we've already had quite a run this year already. But there's still a lot of opportunity left in Bitcoin to run. And we have a second phase of it that should be kicking off here very soon as we get closer to the November and December timeframe. And so this is good timing because you can actually use what I'm teaching you, and to the best of your ability, you can mimic the trades. Now, the videos I show you won't be real time, but they'll be close enough where you can see that you can mimic this if you kind of watch the ticker symbol throughout the week, and you'll be able to pick up a lot of it. If you want my real-time alerts, because I trade the stock a lot, and I trade a lot of stocks, I was tracking my trades. I do almost 100 trades a month, so there's plenty of trades in my Discord for those of you that want to trade, but you just don't know where to start. I do all the homework for you, so it's very helpful for those that are wanting to get started and they just don't have the confidence on what ticker symbols to sell. So I am tracking up to 100 trades a month. There's plenty for everybody. I don't encourage anyone to jump in trading 100 stocks a month. I want to give a variety to my community so that they can pick and choose which ticker symbols they want to work with. But anyway, if you want real-time trade alerts, then join my Discord community, because I put all my trade alerts in there. I explain all the reasoning behind every trade that I make so that people can not just do trade alerts, but they can actually learn the way I think and what I'm looking at. I also do go live twice a week to teach lessons with all of my members, and I also open it up for Q&A so that traders at all different levels can just ask questions and get direct access to me to learn. So if you want to do that, click the link in the description and you'll go through a brief interview process. For those of you that don't want to wait, if there's too long of a wait to get an interview, then send us an email. I have the email in there as well, and I will be glad to send you a direct link to join Discord at the entry level, and you can always upgrade later. A lot of people are doing that, and they're enjoying that experience. I must say, though, most people that join me within a week or two, they're buying lifetime because they see the value. So if you want to just get insight to my community, you can take advantage of it that way too. But back to MSTR, the ticker symbol that we are going to be trading, I wanted to explain why I am so bullish on this particular ticker symbol. So MSTR, MicroStrategy, is actually a software company, but they've done something that's completely different. They are using Bitcoin, they're putting it on their balance sheet. And as Bitcoin rises, so does the valuation of their company. And I became super excited when I saw recent news that Microsoft is looking at having their board vote on something similar to start putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. And when you think about diversification, the fact that a company like Microsoft has no exposure to anything like Bitcoin, that would actually help them quite a bit. And it may be the secret sauce to outperforming their competitors if they actually had Bitcoin on the balance sheet. And the laws are changing in December to allow that the Bitcoin that is on balance sheets for companies to be counted in a way that's accretive to the way that they're evaluated. So that's what's changing in the market. And I think that's why it's becoming more attractive for companies to consider actually starting to invest more in Bitcoin. But it's a self-fulfilling prophecy because if you think about like what MicroStrategy has done, the more companies that do this, the more buying pressure is on Bitcoin itself. Well, they're holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So as Bitcoin rises, so does their valuation. And they have actually recently gone through a process where they've raised money. They created new shares of MicroStrategy, and they are using the money they created to buy more Bitcoin. It's just this incredible cycle that's taking place. The more money they raise, the more Bitcoin they buy, the more their valuation goes up, the more money they raise, the more Bitcoin they buy. So it's just a wonderful, brilliant process. And I am taking full advantage of that because it is a highly volatile asset, and I am leveraging that in the safest way possible based on the rules that I use when I'm trading. Just this past week alone, trading MicroStrategy and selling puts on it, I was able to generate almost $15,000 in premium in one particular week. Now, I am working with a larger account, but this can scale down. Hence the whole reason I am wanting to start with the $25,000 mark to teach all of you how to do this. And there's a lot of different ticker symbols you can look at. There's more conservative ones and there's more assertive and aggressive ones. But because this one yields so much in premium and I've studied it so much, I have confidence using this one. But you can take the same thought process and really trade any particular stock. And if you want to use a less riskier asset that doesn't have as high volatility, you won't get quite as much premium, but you'll at least learn how to trade. So if you want to look at other ticker symbols that you could do this with, consider doing like SoFi is a real good one. Palantir is another real good one to potentially trade. And you can experience, you may be more familiar with those companies, and you can start to experience how option selling works. And then if you get assigned how to turn around and sell covered calls. And so that will help you in your journey, just starting to jump in and trade very small until you start to build your confidence and you understand how this works. And now, if you do not want to wait to get started with some of the details of the challenge and how this works, I encourage you to watch this video. I am teaching my daughter in the video how to sell puts on MSTX to raise money because she wanted to go to a particular football game, and she used $3,000 in capital to raise a little bit over $200 in just a short amount of time. So watch that video right here and it will give you a little bit of insight into how I think and how I trade. Now, I'm going to qualify this as saying this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just showing you the way I trade and the things I am doing to raise capital. If you can learn from it and then go fish for yourself, all the better. but I am qualifying this and saying I am not a financial advisor, okay? So I hope you enjoy the challenge. Make sure you press the subscribe button so that you can get an update every time I have an update on the challenge, and let's see how far we can get. Remember, if you're with Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind.